If you want a savory snack that packs a punch, you have to see this. Loaded with garlic, potato, made completely without an oven. Watch till the end to catch the exact name of this masterpiece. Welcome back, food lovers! Today, we are upgrading everyday homemade bread with a vibrant veggie twist. No oven, no complex gear, and super beginner-friendly. Here is everything you need: all-purpose flour, active yeast, warm water, salt, olive oil, and our star mix-ins: fresh garlic, diced potatoes, bell pepper. Let's break down the measurements. This single batch makes one hearty loaf, yielding about 8 to 10 thick slices, perfect for sharing with family or friends. First, let's wake up our yeast with warm water and sugar. Give it one gentle mix and let it sit for 5 minutes until it turns wonderfully foamy. Easy step 1 complete. Mix your flour, salt, and yeast liquid into a shaggy dough. Fold it gently just 4 times, no heavy kneading required. Cover it up and let it rest for 45 minutes. Now comes the magic. Gently press out your risen dough and fold in our fresh mix of garlic, potato, bell pepper, and tomato right into the layers. No rolling pin needed. Place a small rack inside a heavy, deep pot with parchment paper. Set your loaded loaf right on top and lock the lid down. This clever setup acts as your stovetop oven. Keep the heat on medium-low. Bake with the lid on for 25 minutes to trap the steam. Then take the lid off for the last 5 minutes to get that perfect golden crust. Listen to that hollow tap. That means it's cooked to abs golden and packed with flavor on every single side. While it's still hot, brush a generous layer of garlic butter right over the crust. It melts instantly and locks in unbelievable flavor. Potato, bell pepper, and tomato baked right into a soft, fluffy crumb without ever touching an oven. The savory garlic, the soft potatoes, the sweet peppers, it is an explosion of flavor. You will shock yourself with how professional this tastes. No oven, zero kneading, everyday ingredients. This rustic homemade bread recipe is a total game changer for your kitchen. 3 quick tips for success. Always check your water warmth. Fold the dough gently just 4 times and never turn the stove higher than medium-low. That was our garlic and veggie stovetop bread. Check out the exact ingredient quantities listed in the description box below before you start your batch. If you loved this recipe, hit subscribe, ring that notification bell, and share this video. Drop a comment below for what we should make next. See you soon!